Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, Screven County in southeastern Georgia, Evans County in southeastern Georgia, Liberty County in southeastern Georgia, Bullock County in southeastern Georgia, Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, Long County in southeastern Georgia, Patnell County in southeastern Georgia, Hampton County in southeastern South Carolina, Allendale County in southeastern South Carolina, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Burton's Ferry Landing to near Donald, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Statesboro, Glenville, Sylvania, Hampton, Pembroke, Ludwigsley, Lake Warren State Park, Lanier, Farnville, Estill, Fairfax, Guyton, Brooklet, Brunson, and Hiltonia. This warning includes Interstate 16 between mile markers 119 and 143. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so. Tornado watch number 98 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.